How to make a channel art for your channel. Download a channel art template to use as a guide. We are using the Pixel Labs app to make this. First, type in your channel name. Choose your font, then size it to your comfort. Then add a stroke color to make your word creative. Add a 3D rotate, 3D text, increase or decrease the rotation size. After, add some shadow. You can also choose a color for your shadow. Now we are adding one more word and we'll follow the same procedures along with adding some images that speaks about your channel. You can add your social media page or anything of your preference. Go to your channel, select Customize Channel. Then, select Branding and go to Banner Image. Select the image from your gallery and add. Ensure you select Publish at the top right corner to save. Now check to see how it looks. Subscribe to Tech Help for more videos.